our Korean barbecue exhaust hood. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, a length of 8 1/4 inches. A depth of also 8 1/4 inches, and a height of 54 inches. By removing the top and bottom clip, the door can be released. Coming to the inside will be your filter. The measurements for the filter, we have 6 3/4 inches in length, 7 3/4 inches in depth, by 1 3/4 inches in height. And beneath the filter will be the removable tray. Measurements for the tray, we have 7 inches in depth, 2 3/8 in length, by 1 3/4 inches in height. Clips can be released and latched to the side of the door, securing it. Coming to the bottom will be the left and right handles. You need to retract and extend the exhaust hood. And coming to the front will be the UL listed certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.